This is the episode of the sisters. Let's go.
Yeah. Okay, we are going to show you around our house.
Go to our studio.
Okay. So we are going downstairs.
Oh no, outside.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is
Downstairs
Kelly.
and outside.
That's Kelly.
OMG.
This is Kelly.
Oh no, she lost. Okay, it's okay.
No.
It's fine. Don't you? That is her. Oh, where is she? Okay, we lost her. Let's go outside. I think she's outside. Okay, we gonna show you to the lazy cat. I think she's scared because it's like a paparazzi thing. Okay,
She's fat and lazy.
yeah.
Oh, I
Boom.
want to show these fishes.
There's one.
Oh no, this one.
Oh, this one. Okay, that gives me nightmares.
Yeah. I hate
Oh,
when
I think
seeing
I'm hungry.
that.
Really hungry. Let me show you. She's sick.
It makes my
See? Her skin body is coming out. So, right now show.
let's turn around.
Okay. We gonna show the flora and fauna. Yeah. Let's show the grass.
This is the outside grass.
Yeah, there is no one to live here. Yeah, so sometimes. That's Kelly! Yeah, that is she.
Zoom.
Okay, I zoom it.
Oh,
I'm about to zoom it. Yeah. Okay, that is her, the lazy cat.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
We don't see it so
That much.
clear.
So clear. Do you see it? Oh, this is the fatty one. I love her face. This makes me laugh when I see her face. Yeah. This is the magical thing. See? It's magic. Okay, don't zoom back. Just small back. See? It's magical. Like, yeah. Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna wear my slippers.
Because it's so dirty out here. It's gonna be see whatever we touch. So this is
we have snails here.
yeah, so much.
Gross because we have so much plants here.
Yeah.
Hey, don't call us hungry.
Yeah. So we are gonna show you. I got nothing to record. Show the inside. This one's ready. Okay, I think something that you can see us doing out here. So
play rollerblades.
Oh, okay. That's a good idea. I will record you first, and then you record me next. See you on the next episode. Bye.
Bye.